This video will provide you with instructions that will help you to remove the unwanted browser extension called Streaming Downloader. Streaming Downloader is an unwanted browser extension designed specifically for the Google Chrome browser. The developers of extension indicate that it presents all the streaming sources in the current page. But the trouble with this extension is that it actually operates as adware. It shows a lot of advertisements not related to the sites that you visit. Very often these ads may be displayed on top of other sites. And this will, of course, distract your attention a lot. If this extension was mistakenly installed, you need to get rid of it. Access the menu, go to More Tools, choose Extensions, then if you find this extension, disable and remove it. If you find other suspicious extensions, remove them too. I also recommend investigating your device with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Please get it on the page combocleaner.com, download it, install it, and start investigating the system. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner, such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threads which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threads, the locations of all these threads on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threads manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.